Guys, remember, if you like anything you see in this vid, please subscribe, like, share it with your friends, hit that big thumbs up for me, give us a subscribe, help us get our numbers up. Now, this is just a quick vid. Basically, I'm really just trying to fix my car before the next bit of rain. Solution, maybe every 12 months or something like that, pull your inner guards out and go for a look up in here. Like, this car's been around Australia, 250 thou on it, 2008 200 series chopped. So what it is, I reckon's going on, is because there's all that leaf matter up in there. So the water's supposed to drain through there, and then also down the back here. You watch this. That's going right up there. It's all them leaves and shit. Alright, all that there. Not that I want to scratch it out. So I'm going to stick the vacuum cleaner up in there, get all that out I can. Run me a bit of wire up in here. I don't want to scratch that up because I don't want bare metal and all the rest of it and then to rust up on me. But maybe I can put some lanolin spray or something up there as well. Try and clean it, but that's also going to glue any leaf matter and shit in there that gets stuck in the future. But alright guys, so I've got the vacuum cleaner up in there. I've got some wax and grease remover on a rag and scrubbed and cleaned as good as I can without being able to see. Worst case scenario, guys, like I think I look after my car, but never thought to take my inner guards off and clean all that sort of shit out and have a look up in there. Yeah, learning more and more stuff about it. Thanks very much for watching the video. Yeah, just remember, if you like anything you've seen here, please like, subscribe, share it with your friends, get our name out there, check out a couple other handy little videos. But yeah, cheers. Thanks very much for watching, guys. All the best. Cheers.